In today's video, we're going to be installing the official Samsung S24 Ultra screen protector on our S24 Ultra dummy. If you do want to purchase this, check out the links in the description below. Right, let's get into it. So you'll get the installation tool, a couple of dust stickers, the squeegee, and also the microfiber cloth. What I always find strange about the official Samsung screen protectors is there is no wet wipes included. This means I would always recommend using an alcohol or screen cleaner to wipe over the screen first. Now the screen is cleaned, I'm just going to dry it off with the microfiber cloth that came in the box. Now obviously you don't want any dust or debris getting stuck underneath the screen protector, as it will ruin that installation and screen protector. So make sure you use these dust stickers as well to just make sure you get off any little bits. Next up, you're going to want to grab the install tool, then pull off the little strips to expose the adhesive, and then stick it on the bottom of your phone. First of all, you'll want to remove the tab labelled 1. Now place it onto your installation jig. And then lay it down, making sure the part you've just taken off sticks to the screen. This will just hold the screen protector in place. Now, grab your squeegee and place it just halfway down the screen. Then, pull the other half towards you and push down with the squeegee. Be sure to use a little force here, as this will iron out any bubbles. Flip your phone 180 degrees around and remove the installation tool at the bottom. Now grab your squeegee again and push down on the screen protector and pull the other half towards you, peeling back the part you originally stuck down. Now once again push down the phone in one smooth motion with a good amount of force. At this stage, if you do have any bubbles, just work them out towards the edge of the screen protector. However, if you followed these steps, you should have none like I do here. Now, last but not least, you just need to remove the final layer. So pull back this tab called 2, and your screen protector is now perfectly installed. Now, if you do have any micro bubbles that you're not able to work out, don't panic, as these normally dissipate within 24 to 48 hours. If you'd like to purchase this screen protector, check out the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like and subscribe as well.